Hi, this is Germán Llanos at 24 Hour Real Estate here at the Ukrainian Village in Chicago, Illinois. Got a quick question from our friend, our client, Steve Ramirez in Round Lake Beach. He's asking why it's so hard to buy a house now. I'm putting several offers and I'm being ignored and overbid. Steve, this is the end of the down market. Okay, every market within the economy has cycles, which basically, it has ups and downs. So we enjoy of a nice ride in the real estate market from, let's say, 2001, after September 11, George W. Bush and Alan Greenspan start pumping the economy artificially. And then we have an expansive economy until we reach the peak around 2005, 2006, when everybody got crazy, But since then, we have the market crash a few years after in 2008, 2009, and since then we have this permanently low market when we saw things that we never saw in the history of the United States, when prices crashed and every single market in the United States was flooded with foreclosures. People were losing homes left and right, and it was good for some people, the investors. There was one of the major transfer of wealth in the history of the United States. That's a very sad story for some people, and there's a very nice story for other people that were able to profit with this. I mean, we're not going to discuss the morals or the ethics of this situation. Point to make, there are ups and downs. And this ride, that was the down economy that went from 2008 until 2000, pretty much where we are right now. I think we reached bottom around 2012. It's over. And right now, we have a market that is turning. So think about it. During the last 5 years, we didn't have any meaningful construction. I mean, there were no new projects. You didn't see many cranes in Miami, in New York, or Chicago. So with no new properties building up, no new developments, at the same time you had a bunch of people people needed to relocate, people still having babies, people still were forming households. So the point, and all this situation, all this demand already absorb all this supply from inventories, And there's a point right now where there's no more supply, There's no inventory. Like here in Chicago, you try to rent a place at a decent price, there's nothing. Many people lost their homes, or many people, moved to the city, downtown Chicago, for a job, and finds out that prices are crazy. Rental prices are crazy. And that's basically because there was no new construction. So right now there are around 5,200 units supposed to be delivered, and that's going to alleviate a little bit, but still there's going to be a shortage. Point to make is all new construction, prices are going to be high. So forget about cheap prices. We are in a new market. This is a new economy. We can discuss if this is sustainable or not, if the dollar is going to crash or not, if Bernanke keep pumping the economy with all these toilet paper called dollars, same like in Europe, same like in Japan, and we can discuss how solid it is from now on. But at this point, we have a shortage in the economy of homes. Rentals are high. Okay, so that's my point number one. What is next? So what's going to happen next right now? House scarcity. I think until the machines start moving back again and goes back to normal. So there's a number of developers building homes, and there's a pretty healthy number of buyers buying them, and the same thing with apartment rentals and the different markets. It's going to take some time, but I think there's going to be a shortage. Okay. So if you're an investor and you have rentals, enjoy, have a good time, because it's going to be good. My suggestion, if you bought some properties, to keep them there and sell them. I would sell them a couple of years from now. I think we still have a ride on this. I think that the dollar is going to be weak, so if you have an asset like a house, like an income generating property, you know. You know my philosophy about business. Whereas saving in paper dollars, then you get taxed by inflation and other things that actually I don't want to go so deep into this little video. Okay, now what else? Uneven recovery. Major hubs recover quicker. Okay, so if you're in a big city, big metropole that is generating jobs, if you're in Texas, you know, where you have all this energy boom, you're doing good, right? If you're in North Dakota, South Dakota, I don't know if you want to live there, but well, I mean, at least there are jobs, okay? And same thing, there's a lot of jobs in San Francisco, in Seattle, LA, Chicago, New York. All the major hubs are recovering. Rural America is not recovering. I mean, it's very simple. You see that there are companies moving in, things are going to get better. You know, there's they generate jobs, and those jobs, they need a side economy to support them, you know. If you see their companies moving away, well, then you know that prices are going to go sooner or later down, okay? So that's what's going on. Rural and suburbs are down. I was bullied for a long time about major hubs, and if you follow my advice, enjoy. Last thing, residential has improved and commercial by segments. Okay, here's the deal with commercial. Multi-units are good. We're rock and rolling. If you are doing Section 8, if you have apartments, luxury apartments, you're rock and rolling. There's no question about it. I mean, we have pretty much all the units fully occupied because there are not so many. You know, so everything related with residential, multifamily, good. Commercial, what I think there's still in certain areas some issues is with retail. Okay, and anything related for people to start up consumption again. High end is good. I mean, all the Nordstroms and Saks and people, they're more confident, they're buying, they're shopping. But Main Street America, I don't see too well recovered. So let's say if you have storefronts and you are not close to the major hubs, or your storefront is in an area of segment C or D, and you are not in A or B, then you might have some problems. Leasing it out, increasing rental prices. How long it's going to take? I don't know. It depends on where you are. Okay? If you have questions, you can always call me, or you can email me, text me, and you know, I appreciate your feedback. If you disagree, please just write down and tell me that you disagree and make your points. I would love debate with you. Thank you so much. Today is June 17, our third game of the Blackhawks in Chicago, and we honestly expect to beat Boston. Have a blessed night. Take care.